She has more spare time now that her children have actually moved out. She begins finding out a brand new language and registers in community college. Although she's an older student, she completely enjoys her classes and strives. The feedback from her professors and her friendships in her class strengthen her sense of function. Of the international occurrence of health problems, mental illness and health problems comprise 14% of the concern of illness, Prince et al., 2007. The World Health Company estimates that the occurrence of mental illnesses has actually increased considerably, which around 20% of youth experience mental illness, World Health Organization, N.D. This measurement is the overall number of years that somebody invested living with an impairment or that were lost to coping with repercussions of specific illness, Keys, 2013. Greater numbers are more major and show a greater effect. It is approximated that by 2030, the portion of disability-adjusted life years that can be associated to psychological, behavioral, and neurological disorders will be almost 15% worldwide, but this pattern of prevalence will vary among high-income, middle-income, and low-income nations, Prince et al. Furthermore, it is estimated that the number of disability-adjusted life years credited to psychological, behavioral, and neurological conditions in older grown-ups will increase by 79.5% in 2030, Prince et al., 2015. Specific mental disorders and conditions that are anticipated to add to disability-adjusted life years include the following: self-inflicted injuries, rather, excellent physical health can cause good mental health, an excellent life, and vice versa. For instance, low mood, which shows low mental health, is associated with an increased risk of stroke, Nabi, Kivamaki, Devogli, Marmot, and Singmanu, 2008, Surtees et al., 2008. Physical health is not the only major domain of our lives impacted by psychological health. For instance, employees who operate in demanding work environments can experience burnout. As an outcome, they are most likely to enjoy their tasks and can establish other health problems. We'll talk more about this listed below in a note on psychological wellness at work. By focusing on mental health in a proactive and preventative way, people may be able to prevent or reduce the intensity of mental disorders and conditions, or lower the problems in other locations of life, such as physical health and work. Barry, 2001. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.